For the first question, we want to find the area of a triangle, and we were looking at an equilateral triangle. So we use equation 0.25 times the amount of sides squared and times square root of 3. So you get final answer of 25 over 4 times square root of 3, which is approximately 10.85. For the second question, we are given an octagon and with a radius of 12, and we have to solve for a and x. So you want to solve for what angle is the top measure of the triangle, and that's 22.5. So then we get 12 cosine of 22.5 is a, and x is 12 sine 22.5. And then for the perimeter is 192 sine times 22.5, because we would take the. Okay, for number 3, we're given a pentagon, and the side length is 7, and we want to solve for a and x again. So we want to take 360 divided by 5, and we get 72 for each angle of every equilateral triangle. But then we also want to divide by 2, so we get 36 for the one angle because we are split up. So you get a equals 7 cosine 36, and then x equals 7 sine of 36. And then you get p equals 70 sine 36 because you take x times 10. So your perimeter would be 41.144. And for your area, you would take half times 7 cosine 36 times 70 sine of 36. So you get 116.504 for your final answer for 3 for the pentagon. Okay, for question 4, we are given another octagon. So from previous information, we would take 360 divided by 8, so we get 45. Then we want to divide by 2 to get 22.5 because we want to solve for half of the equilateral triangle. So you get a would equals 9 because that was already given to us. And then x would be 9 tangent of 22.5. So for p, it would be 144 tan and 22.5 because we take 16 times 9 tan. So for your primary, you get 59.646, and we plug it into our equation. So you get a equals half times 9 times 144 tan, tan 22.5. So the area of our octagon will be 268.41. Okay, for question 5, we are given a circle with a 10-sided polygon inside. So we get, and we want to find the shaded region, and then we are given that the radius is 11.56, and also that's it. So the first step is we want to do is find the angle measures. So you get 360 divided by 10, and you get 36 for that, but you want to divide by 2 again, so you get 18 for the triangle. And you also get 11.56 again, and for the radius again, because so you get a equals 11.56 cosine of 18, and then x is 11.56 sine of 18. So the perimeter is 231 point sine of 18, because we take 11.56 times 10, and then since we don't need that, but we do need to plug into our equation, so we get half times 11.56 cosine of 18 times 231.2 sine of 18. So you get 392.739, but then you have to subtract by the pi times 11.56 squared. So it's 419.82 minus 392.739. So the final answer for the area of the shade region is 27.083. For question 6, we want to find the area of a shaded region. So first thing we want to do is solve for the entire circle. So you get 93 over 360 times pi times 7.5 squared. And that'd be the arc, I believe. So, and you'll minus that by half times 15 sine of 46.5 times 7.5 cosine of 46.5. So you know x is 5 point sine of 46.5. And the base of it is 15 sine 46.5 with our given information that we have. And the height is 7.5 cosine of 46.5. So your final answer will be 17.5648 for question 6. For question 7, we want to find the area of the shaded region. We are given an equilateral triangle inside a circle. So first thing we want to do is find the circle, and that'd be pi times 6 squared minus 27 square root of 3. So, and then we know that with our previous information that 3060 something like that, I don't know. But you know that one side equals 6 over 3. I mean 6 square root of 3. And then you want to get a equals 1/4 times 3, because we're dealing with triangles, squared. Square root of 3 equals 1/4. 6 times square root of 3 squared times square root of 3. So for question 8, we want to find the area of the shaded region, and we are given almost rectangular shape inside a circle. So we want to find the circle again. So you get 92 over 360 times pi times 5.4 square root. So then you'll minus that by 1/2 times 10.8 sine 46 times 5.4 cosine 46. And we are able to do that because we are given the angle and the radius of this equation. So then you end up with 23.41 minus 14.57 equals 8.84 times 2 equals 17.6801. So that'd be your final answer.